Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to find your Roblox ID step by step. Your Roblox ID is a unique number assigned to your account. It's often used for scripts, games, or when linking account in third-party tools. First of all, launch open your Roblox application on your device. You can open it up on your Android device or iOS devices and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are in the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button, which is located at the top left, or it can also be located at the bottom right. Tap on More, and from the More menu, click on Profile. From your Profile section, go ahead and tap on the little QR kinda icon at the right corner of Edit Avatar. This will now take you to your QR code option for Roblox. From here, you can tap on Share Profile Link on the left. Soon after you tap on Share Profile Link, tap on the Copy button to copy your profile link. Now, go ahead and open up your notepad and then paste in the copied profile link. Now, as soon as you see the profile link pasted, go ahead and look for the number at the bottom. This one over here, whichever I have highlighted, that will be your profile ID. So that way you know your Roblox ID quick and easy. Your ID can be used for scripts, in-game linking, or even giveaways. So that is how you can easily find your Roblox ID on your Roblox account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.